Hello friends, in this problem a triangle is given and this triangle is ABC. There is a point D on side BC such that distance DC is equals to root 5 unit. Distance AB is given, this is 1 unit and various angles are also given. This angle is 18 degree, this is 36 degree and then we have to find this angle, that is theta. So what is the value of theta? So I will use angle chasing and some trigonometric identity to solve this problem. So let us do one construction. So the construction is from point A, draw a line AE such that angle AED is equals to 36 degree. So this is the line AE and this angle is 36 degree. So this is drawn from construction. Now let us consider triangle ABE. This is ABE. So this triangle. Now this angle is 36 degree and from construction this angle is also 36 degree. This means this is an isosceles triangle. So this side AB is equal to AE and this is 1 unit. This means this side is also 1 unit. So AB is equals to AE and both are equal to 1 unit. Now let us see triangle ABE, that is the same triangle ABE. We can calculate this angle ABE, yes we can calculate this angle. So angle EAD, that is this angle, plus 18 degree plus 36 degree plus 36 degree, this should be equal to 180 degree because sum of the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. So this means EAD is equals to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. So now this is a right angle triangle and this is hypotenuse. So D, point D and E, between length between D and E, this is the hypotenuse length. So now I can write in this triangle cos theta. So cos 36 degree, that is in triangle ADE, cos 36 degree, this is equals to base, that is 1 unit, divided by hypotenuse, that is DE. So from here I can write DE is equals to 1 divided by cos 36 degree. So we can calculate DE using this formula. But the problem is the value of cos 36 degree is not known. So here I will use some well-known result. Let us say alpha is equals to 18 degree, then sin alpha is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So this you can derive. In one of the video I have derived this result. For the time being, let us say this value is known. That is sin 18 degree is minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. So I have to calculate value of cos 36 degree. Alpha is 18, so this is cos 2 alpha. So we have to calculate value of cos 2 alpha. So we have this identity. Cos 2 alpha is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So if I use this identity, I can get the value of cos 2 alpha. So this is 2, this is 1 and sin square alpha. Sin 18 degree is known, alpha is 18 degree. Sin 18 degree is minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. So this value is here. And whole square of this value. So now if you expand this, this is a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square and this is b square and this is minus 2ab, and in the denominator 4 square is 16. So if you cancel 2, so this will be 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So this is, if you take it LCM, then this will be 8 minus 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 6 and minus minus plus, that is plus 2 root 5. So this is 2 plus 2 root 5. So if you cancel 2, so this will be plus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. So d is equals to 1 by cos 36, and cos 36 is this value, that is 1 plus root 5 by 4, that is 4 divided by root 5 plus 1. So this is the value of dE. Now I can further simplify this. So let us multiply by the conjugate. So we have 4 by root 5 plus 1. So I can multiply in the denominator by root 5 minus 1 and in the numerator also by root 5 minus 1. So in the denominator I will have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So this will be simply 5 minus 1, that is 4, and 4 cancel. So I will have only this term, that is root 5 minus 1. So now dE length is known and this length is root 5 minus 1 unit. So this length is root 5 minus 1. So this length is root 5 minus 1. Then we can calculate this distance. This distance is what? Total distance minus this distance. So that is EC is equals to DC minus DE. And DC is root 5, that is given in the problem. And we have just derived DE is equals to root 5 minus 1. So this is equals to 1. So this distance is equals to 1 unit. Now if this distance is 1 unit and this distance is 1 unit, so this means this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So this means this angle is theta and then this angle is also theta. So angle EAC, so this is theta, because we have to evaluate this angle and this angle is also theta. So these two sides are 1 unit. Now in triangle ABC, I can again write sum of the angles is equals to 180 degree. That is this angle 18 degree. So let us start from here, 36 degree, 18 degree, 90 degree and theta, this is equals to 180 degree. So from here I can get 2 theta is equals to 54 degree. This means theta is equals to 18 degree. So this theta is equals to 18 degree. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.